Okay, now we continue with the next task, which is to configure the color format query. Select the color format query, and then on the transform, use the first row as a header. Yeah, okay, so let's do that. The color format, yeah, okay, this one. After that, on the home transform, yeah, then after that, use the first row as header here. Yep, okay, so now you have the 3 query and 3 column and 10 rows. Yeah. Update the product query. Okay, update the product query by merging the color format query. Select the product. Yeah. Okay, so let's do that. Select the product query. After that, to merge the color format query on the home ribbon, select the combine. Yeah. Then after that, this one, yeah, combine. Yeah. Combine. After that, select the merge query. Okay, and then after that, in the merge window, in the product query grid, select the color. This one, column header. Beneath the product query grid, yeah. Select the color format query. Okay, here, color format. Yeah. Then choose the color column header. This one. Yeah. When the privacy level window open, yeah, for the each of the 2 data sources in the corresponding drop-down list, select the organizational and then save. Yeah. Okay, so here yeah, this one, both organizational, then save it. Yeah. Okay, in the merge windows, use the default join kind, maintaining the selection of the left author and select OK. Yeah, click OK. Then in the color format, now it changed to the table. Expand, then we only keep the background and font. Okay. Okay, select the color format query. You're going to update, yeah. 8 column 397, yeah, color format. After that, in the query setting, all properties. Okay, after that, in the query properties window, uncheck the enable load to report. And then after that, yep, so only this, yeah. Disabling the load means that it will not load as a table to data model. This done because the query was merged with the product query. Yeah. Okay, click OK. So now you already have the 8 query. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Salesperson region, product, reseller region, sales target, and color format. Yeah. Then close and apply. Yeah. But before that, you have to screenshot, yeah, because here provide screenshot of the list query, verify that you have the 8 query. Okay, yeah, so this one you have to screenshot first before you close. Okay, yeah, so we have the 8, 1, 2, yeah, 3, 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, copy, then after that put into the this control. Okay, so finish, then save it. Done already. Yeah, so we finish up by close and apply. Yeah, you need to close apply to save. Then we have the 7 table. Yeah. Okay, I think I miss one. Oh yeah, correct. Yeah, this one was not reversed. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, now it's correct. Yeah. Okay, so that's the assignment 1A. Don't forget to submit. Yeah, so how to submit? You go to the LMS and then click this, yeah, 2A. Then upload your assignment. Choose the link in the assignment. Yeah, sample your name 2A. Okay, then submit. Yeah, then click next. Yeah, then we're going to do the 2B after this. Okay, so that's the 2A.